Children, let us start with a new chapter today of chemistry, and that is atoms and molecules. In this chapter, the topics that we will be covering is laws of conservation of mass, laws of chemical combination, law of constant proportion, what is an atom, we will be talking about what is a molecule. We will be writing chemical formulas. We will learn how to write the chemical formulas. We'll be talking on the concept like molecular mass and mole concept. Let me first introduce you to this chapter. We always have found out that we talk about matter, right? What is matter? Now, matter is made up of atoms. And atom is what is an atom that we will be seeing later on. Okay, but matter, as we know, is made up of atom, and atom in Gujarati માં આપણે કહીએ છીએ એને અણુ, from which the word has come, atom bomb, right? Let us now first see what is law of chemical combination. Okay, and under which we have two laws, that is law of conservation of mass and law of constant proportion. Law of conservation of mass is whenever we talk about a chemical reaction, so on the left hand side we write down the reactants and right hand side we are writing down the product. So the mass of the reactants and products will be the same. That is, if the mass of the reactants is 10 grams, then mass of the product also should be 10 grams. That is what we call it as conserving the mass. That mass remains the same even after a chemical reaction has taken place. And law of constant proportion means the proportion of the elements that are present in any compound remains the same. But different compounds will have different proportion. Then what is an atom? Now atom is the smallest particle of any element, right? And molecule means same kind of atoms or different kinds of atoms. When they combine together, a molecule is formed. And atoms and molecules are made up of elements, and each element has symbols. So whenever we talk about writing the chemical formula, so you will write down the formulas by knowing the symbols of the element, by knowing the valencies of the element. What it is we will see in detail later on, but you should be knowing that this is how we write down the chemical formula. And lastly, we will be talking about what do you understand by molecular mass and what is a mole concept. That is, molecular mass means mass of the molecule, and mole, that we will have to go a bit in detail, but that we will see only when we talk about this particular topic. So I hope I could make it clear that what will we be studying in this particular chapter.